This car seat organizer makes it easy to keep small items within reach while driving. Made from stretchable, durable material, it fits snugly on the sides of most car seats. Setup is quick, using a strap that secures to the bottom of the passenger seat in seconds. With 3 pockets, 2 mesh, 1 zippered, you can store essentials like your phone, keys, and snacks with ease. Bring a portable waterproof speaker into your kitchen to enhance your culinary experience. Whether you prefer energizing beats or a calming playlist while cooking, this speaker delivers. Sync 2 Wonder Booms for immersive sound throughout your kitchen. It's perfect for parties or solo cooking sessions. You can even link with a friend to share a cooking experience or sync up multiple rooms with music while you prepare meals. This thaw belt helps defrost frozen food quickly and safely. By submerging your packages in water, it naturally speeds up thawing without using heat, preserving essential nutrients and remaining BPA-free. It works 7 times faster than standard methods, easing your meal prep. With 3 rows of suction cups and measuring 17.72 inches, it securely holds your food in place, so you can defrost meats and more in no time. This hair wrap not only dries your hair, but protects it from damage as well. It features a button loop closure for a hands-free, compact drying experience, replacing traditional towels that cause friction. Made with special fabric, this wrap absorbs moisture without heat, keeping your hair 4 times stronger than other drying methods. Simply flip your hair, twist, and secure the wrap with the button for effortless drying. This motion sensor ceiling light activates when it detects movement, either day or night. It shuts off automatically after 30 seconds of no motion, making it energy efficient. Its detection range covers up to 120 degrees and a distance of 16 feet, illuminating areas as people pass by. It's an energy saver, consuming only 10 watts while providing the brightness of a 60-watt bulb with a 120-volt AC connection. Chill your wine quickly and without dilution using this set of stainless steel wine chillers. These food-grade metal ice cubes cool your beverages while maintaining their original flavor. The smooth surface ensures they won't damage glass or cause injury. After use, cleaning is simple. Just rinse or toss them in the dishwasher. They come in a plastic box that can be stored in your freezer, ready for use anytime. This brush set is designed to clean cup lids and glass container mouths thoroughly. The set includes 3 specialized brushes that can reach tight spots, making sure every drink stays fresh. Each brush can rotate and be replaced, adding versatility to the cleaning process. Made from durable materials, these brushes can withstand high temperatures, and they're easy to wash, making them reliable kitchen tools. These magnetic cable ties are perfect for organizing cords with a bit of flair. Their fun cloud-shaped design adds charm while keeping your space neat. The strong magnets are securely embedded inside the ties so they won't fall out. They easily snap open and close, making them incredibly convenient for managing your cables or tidying up other small items in a fun, colorful way. While great for bedrooms or offices, this cactus-shaped humidifier is also perfect for the kitchen. Dry heat from ovens and stovetops can affect your skin, but this cute humidifier adds moisture to the air, helping you stay comfortable. Its ultra-quiet operation won't interfere with conversations or cooking flow. Compact enough to fit easily on countertops, it's a practical yet fun addition to your kitchen. This vegetable slicing tool is ideal for quickly cutting green onions and other produce. It features 6 evenly spaced stainless steel blades for smooth cutting in both directions. The curved, non-slip handle allows for easy use with either hand. Perfect for making uniform strips, it enhances food prep. Its versatility also makes it useful for decorative pastry work, adding flair to your kitchen tasks. This electric screwdriver gives you both manual and automatic modes for a variety of tasks. With a maximum electric torque of 3 Newton meters and manual torque up to 10 Newton meters, it's capable of handling different jobs. The steel tip offers durability, and the micro USB charging port allows for easy power-ups on the go. An LED light ensures you can work even in dim conditions. It's a versatile tool for any situation. These swivel hooks are built to last with their high-quality solid metal construction, able to hold up to 15 pounds. Whether you need to hang towels, bathrobes, or kitchen supplies, these hooks are ready. All mounting hardware is included, making installation quick and simple. They're versatile for use in your bathroom, kitchen, garage, or laundry room, adding both functionality and convenience to your home.